Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Authenticaras.store, a site selling sneakers, vinyl plushies, and pendants. It sounds like a collector's paradise, but the real question is whether you're buying a limited edition or just a one-way ticket to Regret Town. Let's find out if we can actually trust them. First, we did a WHOIS check and found the domain was registered in July 2025. That is incredibly recent. Honestly, a website this new is about as trustworthy as a toddler with a permanent marker. Without any track record, we have no way of knowing if they're reliable or just a digital pop-up shop waiting to vanish. Next, we checked out their products, which look amazing and trendy, almost too good to be true. A quick reverse image search on Google Lens confirmed our suspicions. Most of their product images are straight up copied from elsewhere. If they can't even be bothered to take a photo of their own inventory, you have to wonder if the inventory even exists in this physical dimension. We then looked at their customer support, which features a physical address that looks reassuring until you realize it's located in a residential neighborhood. Nothing says high-end fashion mogul, like running a global empire from a suburban spare bedroom next to a pile of laundry. The red flags keep waving because this brand has absolutely no social media presence. In an age where even your local plumber has an Instagram, being completely invisible online is a special kind of suspicious. They claim to have over 50,000 happy customers and plenty of glowing reviews on their own site, but the rest of the internet seems to have never heard of them. We checked Trustpilot and found absolutely nothing, just a few vague Facebook posts that lead nowhere. It's almost as if those 50,000 happy customers are as imaginary as the professional office space. After all this digging, the verdict is clear. Authenticaras.store is a minefield of red flags. Between the brand new domain, stolen images, residential headquarters, and total lack of social proof, this site is definitely not trustworthy. My advice is to be extremely careful and keep your credit card in your wallet. That's it for today's review, friends. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss our next scam-busting adventure. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.